Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to find the Laplace transformation of e to the 80. Okay, what's this value? Okay, so what is this thing? Laplace transformation of e to the 80. This equals to 0 to infinity e to the 80 times e to the minus st dt. So I can write this as 0 to infinity e to the 80 minus st dt equals to 0 to infinity e to the a minus s times t dt. Right, so when I integrate this one e to the a minus s t over a minus s, limits are going from 0 to infinity. So when I plug infinity there, e to the a minus s times infinity over a minus s minus e to the a minus s times 0 over a minus s. Here I am considering s minus a is greater than 0, so s, here I have a minus s term, right? It is a minus s, so it is less than 0. So this is a negative term, so I get here minus infinity, right? E to the minus infinity is what? It is 0, right? So I get 0 there, minus e to the a minus s times 0 is 0, so e to the 0 over a minus s, so I get minus 1 over a minus s. By rearranging these terms I get 1 over s minus a, right? So Laplace transformation of e to the 80 equals to 1 over s minus a. So let's meet in the next video with an example, right? So thank you for watching.